Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing a review and first time taste test of the Butter-Nut Instant Espresso. This is a product that I actually received from the company for review in this video. And so real quick, we'll go over the packaging, the general directions as far as making the instant espresso. Then I'll walk through the steps of making it and doing a first time taste test with it. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, there will be links in the description for where you can find it on Amazon. Okay, so this is the Butter-Nut Instant Espresso. It comes in this plastic container that encompasses 2 ounces of instant espresso. Currently, if you look on Amazon, you can purchase one of these for a price of $5.99, or you can actually get 3 of these, or 3 2-ounce containers for $9.99. So it's definitely cheaper if you purchase it in the 3 quantity as compared to the 1. As far as the packaging, it's very simple. As the Butter-Nut label on it says that it's instant espresso. It does have directions on the one end here where it basically says how to make the actual coffee. So it recommends adding 1 rounded teaspoon per 6 ounces of either milk or hot water, and then you can adjust per your taste. And it basically says that it's a full body flavor of espresso combined with the convenience of instant coffee. So the fact that you have it in this container makes it really easy to make instant espresso on the go. As far as before the video, I actually checked out reviews on this. A lot of people say they really like this as far as the overall taste. They find using it for instant espresso is one option, and then combining it for some sort of coffee flavoring and different baked goods like tiramisu and things like that is another option. And someone did comment that they did use it for cold brew as well. So there's a wide variety of options as far as using this, and so what we'll do is we'll make a cup of coffee with this and get a general sense of how it tastes. Okay, so now we'll walk through the actual steps of making the instant espresso. So this is what it looks like in the container. It does come with like a safety labeling on the top, but it's basically this powdered instant espresso, kind of what you would expect. As far as quantity, what it recommends is using 1 teaspoon, not tablespoon, of the instant espresso for 6 ounces of fluid. And so we'll pour it into this espresso mug that I have. And then what we'll do is we'll actually pour the 6 ounces of water in here, and it's a little bit less than 6 ounces based on the mug, but as you can tell, it immediately foams up. It has a kind of like typical like espresso color on the top of it, so that's a good sign as far as the overall appearance. And then we'll just stir this to make sure it's completely dissolved, and that's kind of what it looks like. So it definitely looks like coffee, looks like an instant espresso. We'll get a general sense of the overall taste, so let me taste this. And I'll say it really, I would describe it as a little bit watered down as far as overall taste, but it definitely has that like a strong hint of espresso. So what I'll do is I'll add 1 more teaspoon, because I tend to like these types of drinks a little bit stronger, and we'll get a sense of how that tastes overall. So really a lot of times it's just playing with the overall quantity for these instant drinks to figure out what your taste is. And so with 2 teaspoons in here, that's definitely better. So it's definitely better. It tastes like espresso now. It's got a strong hint of like strong taste of coffee. I'll say that it's not equivalent to if you made this on your own, but this seems like a great option as far as an instant espresso for on the go if you're traveling, because this container is super light. It's a plastic container, it won't break or anything like that. You can easily carry with you on the go as far as bringing it with you, or if you do not have a coffee maker. So really all you need is hot water and the ability to pour the instant espresso in here. So for those of you that are interested in potentially purchasing this, you can check it out on Amazon. Currently you can get this container for $5.99, or an actual pack of 3 of these for $9.99. So it's a very cheap option. So you could always try this out, see if you like it or not, and then go from there. But it's something that if you're in the market for an instant espresso, it's definitely something to try out as far as overall taste and kind of like whether it suits your overall taste for things. So if you have questions, comments, you can post them below. But that's the Butter-Nut Instant Espresso.